Okay, today we're here at the GAWDA SMC. I'm thankful to be joined by Jim Herring. Jim, can you tell me about your history and role here with GAWDA?
Well, actually, I kind of married into the business many years ago. Worked for another company, then my father-in-law came to me, and he had sold Walker Welders in the Mississippi Delta to Holofs. And he started the SafTCart brand as an offshoot of that. And he sold my brothers-in-law with the business, so he needed some help. Came to Jackson, Mississippi, where Melinda and I lived, and I moved up to Clarksdale in February of '98. Brought Melinda back kicking and screaming, and we've been there ever since.
Wow.
So 28 and a half years in the business.
Damn. And how many years have you been coming to GAWDA for?
28 and a half.
28 and a half.
And that includes FabTech and all the rest of them. So we've gone to all the shows.
That's awesome. Okay, Jim, second question for you today. What products do we have here, and what solutions do they help distributors in GAWDA?
Well, the one thing that we do talk about is how we always help people to move molecules safely. I think that's a good way to put it.
Yep.
We moved molecules safely for 40 plus years.
Yeah.
Because we were incorporated in '86. This is just a standard two-cylinder cart, and this is a medical cart. We make them in all shapes and sizes.
Yeah.
So along with,
And are those custom? Can people call you and you guys will build solutions for them, or what does that look like?
we can do that.
Okay.
We make anything all the way up to pallets,
Cool.
cages, truck beds, trailers, anything that moves cylinders.
Wow.
We do it.
Wow.
And it all comes out of Clarksdale, Mississippi, so it's all USA made.
Local, yeah.
Everything.
Well, there you go. There you have it. Jim Herring from SafTCart. Jim, we thank you for everything that you do. Like you've said, you've been a long-time member. He's respected by a lot of people here. If you need anything from SafTCart, feel free to give him a call. And we're going to do one more special question. Jim is the co-chair board of the safety committee.
Right.
Can you tell me a little bit about the safety committee, the agenda this year, anything you guys are working on, or tools that the members can use from the safety committee?
Now, the safety committee meets monthly, every month. We don't miss. And we meet for about 30 minutes. We have about 26 members, including the GAWDA consultants. And with them, we produce safety documents, sample practices, lessons learned, pictograms, which are nothing more than posters that are accompanying the sample practices.
Yeah.
It's just a quick way to do it. You know, you put it up, and people that can't read English, they can look at the pictogram, and it will show them exactly what's embodied in that sample practice. The one thing that we do have a problem with is people don't necessarily know what all we put out there, because we have an entire library, but a lot of the membership doesn't know how to get to it. It's under members only documents, and you have to have a GAWDA login to get there.
Yep.
The next initiative that we're starting this year is social media, so that we have a post maybe every month talking about one of the sample practices and what's in there, just as a teaser, just kind of point you in the right direction to go find it. And then from there you can take that and use it in your own business.
Wow.
So again, to help
Good way to learn, good way
keep
to...
people safe.
Yeah.
And
Cool.
usually the only time we ever get a call is when somebody's had a terrible accident.
Something goes
And it's kind of late. So we try to give you the tools to keep you from having the same things happen that have happened to other people. That's the lessons learned. How's that?
Awesome. Good. And there you have it. Once again, this is Jim Herring from SafTCart. He's the COO.
Correct.
Jim is the COO, and once again, we thank SafTCart for everything they do, and we don't know what we would do without them. So,
Well, thank you.